Hey guys, this is Chef Nadeem here. You are watching my channel Cooking with Nadeem. So thank you so much for your everything. You love me and then you give me the comments and then feedback also about my cooking. Thank you so much. So please, if you want to see my all the new videos, please subscribe my channel, comments and like also. Please press the bell icon also. Like that I can get encouragement also from your side and then you can get my all the new videos. So today once again I'm here with new recipe. All the time I share with you the different recipe. I try my best do special something for you. So that's why hopefully you will be all happy and then all will be fine. I'm also good, thanks to God. So today I got very special things. It's very famous in all of the world. Today I'm gonna show you how to make chicken jalfrezi. Really, it's awesome flavor. Today because all the bird make the different style of jalfrezi. Today I'm going to show you how to make the restaurant style chicken jalfrezi at home. It's very easy. All the time, every time I show you my all the simple ingredients. So today once again I'm here with new recipe and then all the same simple ingredients. At your home one regular spices you can use that one. It's really very easy. So let me show you what ingredient we will be used for this recipe. It's chicken jalfrezi. I like it. It's really very yummy and please you try it at your home and then give me the feedback. How's this flavor? So please let's come. I show you what ingredient we will be used for this recipe. So guys, today I'm gonna make chicken jalfrezi. All the things here which one I have to use for this recipe. So here I got the boneless chicken. I cut already in the cubes. And here I got the onions also I make the paste already. Here I got the tomato paste I just blending the tomato already. I got here ginger garlic paste I blend already also ginger garlic paste. Here I got some coriander leaf, cilantro leaf I will be used for this recipe. And then here I got the spices I got the coriander powder, 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon salt you can put as your taste. And then here I got the turmeric also I got half teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon. Here I got the chili flakes also I got half teaspoon. So all the spices here I got the chili powder half teaspoon. This one is all the spices I will use for this recipe. Here I got all the cut my vegetables. Here I got the capsicum. Here I got the bell pepper, red capsicum. Here I got the onion. All the veggie I cut already in the cubes. So now let's start. First of all I show you what step we will be do the first for this recipe. And here I got extra virgin olive oil. So for this recipe I will use the extra virgin olive oil. You can use the normal oil, vegetable oil, all the kind of oil you can use, but I am using the olive oil. You can use the olive oil also. So now the olive oil, I put the olive oil in the pan. Just heat it up the oil first. You can see my oil is heated up already. So now I have to use the onion paste. So guys, here you can see my onion, the color is become a change already. So now I have to put the ginger garlic paste. I use the ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon. So now guys, I have to add my chicken. Cook the chicken until the color change already. So when color change, so then just put the other ingredients. So let me cook this one first and then after that when color change, so I will put the other ingredients. So guys, here you can see the color is changed already. My chicken is done, almost is the roasted already, the fry already. So it's really very nice, tender wise, everything is done ready. So now I have to put my tomato paste. Tomato paste I put inside. Have to cook for just 2 or 3 minutes. So now guys, you can see my tomato paste is also the cook already. You can see the oil become already on the layer. So now I have to put all the spices. Have to put some water, bit water, just only for just bit of water and then can mix. So now guys, you can see chicken jalfrezi, really very nice flavor, fragrance and aroma, all the flavors you can feel when you cook. Then you will feel all the flavors. So now guys, here I have to add my all the capsicum and onion, everything. So now guys, my chicken jalfrezi is almost done. So now I have to use the coriander leaf is the fresh cilantro. Mix it well. So guys, here my jalfrezi is ready. Now have to serve. Just only we have to dish out this jalfrezi. So it's very special jalfrezi. So please you try at home and then give me the feedback also. So now I have to dish out the jalfrezi. So guys, here you can see my chicken jalfrezi is ready. So very delicious, very yummy. So please must try you at home for your children, for your family. It's very special, really very delicious flavor. So thank you so much, and then see you on next time my new video. Bye bye.